Hello everyone, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. In this video we're going to show you more about dcon's vanilla cream wax. dcon's vanilla cream wax is a carnauba wax based cream wax. This will add shine and protection to any kind of glossy finish by hand with an applicator or by machine orbital with a soft polishing pad. Is it just a wax? This is what we hear often. No, it's not. When we formulated this product circa 3 years ago, we chose to have a combination of a finishing polish and a carnauba wax in one. So why is that? Especially for high volume car care companies and detailing companies, you would like to have one cream product to be applied doing one polishing pass on a car. Why is this? Because this is pretty much the budget you get from your customer, and in this light you have to work fast and efficient. What you then can do is remove a lot of light swirls, a lot of holograms, a lot of hairline scratches, and at the same time you will apply a thin layer of carnauba wax which adds shine and protection. Shine as in gloss and reflection, and protection as in beading and sheeting effect on your paint. And in this video we chose to focus on common light scratches and imperfections. Plenty of haze, plenty of swirls, plenty of hairline scratches, which often are caused, and we're gonna go down, by improper washing techniques. These often black panels are very sensitive for imperfections and scratches, because often it's a very soft and weak finish. We can see it's very sensitive for impact. So if I can already scratch it with my nails, then it's often a softer and a weaker finish. I think these are parts you always should do, because once polished and a customer comes, opens the door and this is still scratched and neglected, it just doesn't look good, and it could actually prevent the sale of the car after being polished. So it's a small effort and you can do this in a little amount of time to make sure these neglected areas will look good again. So this is what we're going to do in this video. Enough said, let's mask off half with some HPX masking tape. So because dcon's vanilla cream wax doesn't contain any chalk, you won't have any issues of staining these rubber and plastic parts as well. So yes, I could tape it off, which is maybe even more nice, but I don't need to. This is my good old Kraus S75 orbital polisher with an orbit of 12 millimeters. I'm gonna choose a green dcon delta pad, which is medium to hard, and I'm gonna only apply a couple of drops, but very little. Prime my pad with Orange Eco waterless wash. I'm gonna apply the polish here. Machine is already set on setting 1, so I'm going to switch it on here. Now first I'm going to spread it out and divide it. So once the thin film layer is divided, I'm going to speed it up. Let's see what happens after removing the masking tape. Yeah, that's visible. That looks much better already for only one pass. To here, and pretty much only one pass with a combination of carnauba wax and finishing polish. Sensitive for scratches is this surface, so I'm gonna now do it in the light. Here's my fingernail to create some new scratches. This is actually how easily you can scratch a surface like this. And how does that go in practice? So let me open the door. Some people wearing rings. Ta-da! This is where you create scratches from. So once polished and nice and tidied up and completely fixed up again, I would always advise to apply some paint protection film here. It's super easy. You can make a mold easily on the back of the paper and then cut it out and then apply it here with some gel, and then with your squeegee, and then just let it sit there And PPF makes such a difference to keep this and the C-pillar as well in good condition. So maybe a nice upsell for all you detailers out there. For me now, I'm going to focus here to completely fix up my scratches again that I made with the tip of my nails, as well as the top end. So where are my nail scratches? Very important. I could do a better job here, so I'm gonna repolish it there because it's, I think you can better see that we did now, let's say 2 hits here and only 1 here, so it probably needs 1 more. Because the top end I don't feel like is super blackish. It's a little bit like it has a little bit of a, I don't know, sluier. A little bit haze on top of it. So here it's more black, in my opinion, than it's here. I can already see now in this light that it's already much better than after the first time. So the dcon vanilla cream wax in combination with the green dcon delta pads are, I think, a good set to remove swirls, hairline scratches, small imperfections from these impactful B and C pillars, piano black. Hope this video helps you and guides you a little bit. So yeah, vanilla cream wax is not only a wax, it's a combination of a finishing polish and a wax in one, which pretty much can also do a little bit of correction as we see in here, and at the same time apply a fresh coat of carnauba wax, which darkens and creates more depth, especially on darker colors, and gives a good glossy finish as well, and it's very soft and slick to feel. Hope you like this video. As we could have seen here, this was a machine polishing video with the Kraus S75 in combination with dcon's vanilla cream wax and the green delta pad. If you're interested in polishing by hand, we also have a video that shows you step by step what you can actually do with hand polishing. If you like that, then click on the pop-up banner. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.